Hey there, welcome to day 1539 of a What's You Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, documenting and sharing the journey as a transition business journey, primarily from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business, and then back and forth again. Today, our idiom for supersize your business, we're doing spiritual related idioms to coincide with the annual challenge. So today's was by the skin of your teeth. Now, this is an idiom. It's kind of a met idiom. It comes from the Bible, book of Job. Not the book of Job, book of Job, story of Job, when he was super duper sick and he was skin and bones and he survived by the skin of his teeth, he says. And what does that mean and how do we use that to supersize and grow our business? And my question today was, are you getting by the skin of your teeth? Are you just squeaking by in your business, or have you set yourself up for success? And I kind of rambled about it a little bit and remembered that the last time I had talked about this particular idiom was Christmas Eve of 2019. And it just so happens I had COVID. Didn't know it was COVID at the time, but it was definitely COVID. Sicker than a dog for 3 to 6 weeks, I think 3 weeks. But Christmas Day, the day after that, I was looking for that video because I was curious, because I didn't do a video Christmas Day because I was so sick. And so I'm going to go back, I think, maybe not today because it's a holiday, but and try to find the video the day after, because I didn't sound that bad on Christmas Eve. And then all of a sudden, Christmas Day, couldn't even get out of the couch or off the bathroom to do my video. And that's like the only day I've actually missed in I think that's the only day I actually missed in since 2018, when I started doing videos every day, kind of religiously. Not religiously, but consistently. So our topic for the annual challenge today, the BU 365-day challenge, is, who does that belong to? Who does that thought? Who does that belief? Who does that action? Who does that judgment? Who does that anything belong to? And I asked it in the form of, whose is that? Meaning, whose car is that? If we think about something about whose car is that, we might be a little envious because they have a Lamborghini or an Audi A8 or something. What's a good car? I don't even know good cars anymore. I haven't driven for a couple of years. And I never really cared about cars before then, which drives my son crazy because he's a total car guy. And I'm like, totally not. I'm like, give me a car that runs and has heated seats and I'm happy. So who does that belong to? I like to ask myself that question about my own thoughts and beliefs and feelings, but especially when I like to remind myself of it when I'm having conversations with people and we have differing opinions, or we might not agree on something. Instead of getting in an argument and trying to convince somebody that they ought to believe what I believe because I'm right, of course, because we all think we're right and we all think our reality is the only way of looking at the world. Our perspective is, of course, the right way because that's how we see it, so it must be right. Well, it's right for us, but that doesn't mean it's right for everybody. So today, as we're going about our day, I say I'm going to remember to ask myself, well, who does that belong to? And if it doesn't belong to me, if it's just someone's opinion, I don't have to choose to comment on it. I don't have to agree with them. I can say, oh, I understand. There's a lot of ways to communicate with and be agreeing without agreeing, or letting people keep their own thoughts, feelings, beliefs, and reality without having to take it on or let it influence us. And that should make for a much more peaceful family holiday and gathering on this Easter Sunday. So, curious what's up with you. If I can help you in any way, ask. I will have some time later today, but again, it is a family day, it's a holiday, it's a Sunday. Otherwise, just go out and have an awesome day. I'll fill you in more on tomorrow on what I am working on with respect to business and growing our businesses, and some lessons that I've learned. And I had a big aha this morning. I'll share that tomorrow. Have a great day.